Good Monday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at the current conditions outside. You can see there are some isolated showers in the area, basically just southeast of the county. There's some toward the east as well. A few spotty isolated showers off toward the mountains and into eastern Tennessee. And we'll see rain chances increase as we make our way through the next 24 to 36 hours, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. Let's real quickly bring up the temperatures around the area. And as you can see, we've got 66 degrees in Salisbury, mid to upper 60s around the county, and for the most part in the 60s throughout the state of North Carolina, to be quite honest with you. We'll continue to keep you updated on the temperature with the 5-day forecast coming up in just a moment. But let's talk about what the real weather maker is going to be for us. So there's a cold front that's going to be moving through, and it is not hard to tell where it is. All you got to do is look at that line of showers and storms. So there's a cold front kind of right in there, and that front's going to continue to make its way east throughout the day today, and it'll make its way through the county during the day tomorrow. And it will bring those increased rain chances as it gets closer to us, as well as when it moves through the area and the county. And we could see quite a bit of rainfall, and I'll have more on that for you in just a few moments. Let's go ahead and get back locally here now, and we'll go ahead and bring up the model data so you can see what the models are indicating on what could happen with the weather as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. And this is at 7 a.m. this morning. So as you can see, some isolated showers again in the mountains, a few spotty showers in other places. This is now 8 a.m., 9, 10, 11, 12, going through the afternoon now, 1 p.m. today, 2, 3, 4. You start to see some isolated showers making their way into the county, and this is all moving north-northeast. So again, this is now 4 p.m., 5 p.m. this evening, 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., a few more spotty showers around the county, 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. This is now 11 and midnight. So as we get ready to start the day on Tuesday, here's that cold front making its way through eastern Tennessee. So it'll start to make its way through eastern Tennessee and into the mountains of North Carolina as we go through the overnight hours on Tuesday. It's now 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9, 10, 11. Now we're getting to midday. You see that cold front getting closer and closer with some isolated showers out in front of it. By 1 p.m. Tuesday, you continue to see it getting closer. This is 2 p.m., 3 p.m. By 4 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon, there you see that cold front really starting to make its way through and bringing that line of showers and thunderstorms through with it as well. This is now going on 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Tuesday. Could see some isolated thunderstorms now embedded as the cold front moves through the county. This is 8 p.m. Tuesday, 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11, and now midnight on Wednesday. And you can see some widespread rain that will move through the area as we get into the overnight hours of Tuesday going into Wednesday. Now let's take a look at weather impacts for today and what you can expect. And so what we'll see is the areas of fog that are around the county, that patchy dense fog that you're seeing over some of the fields and in certain locations, it'll burn off by around 10 a.m. We'll see mostly cloudy skies during the morning hours, and then rain chances will increase as we move through the afternoon and evening. Spotty showers and thunderstorms are possible, but I think most of the rain is going to come through as indicated by the models during the day on Tuesday, really in the afternoon and evening hours, and during the overnight going into Wednesday morning. Winds will be out of the south today, pumping in warmer air. As far as what we could see for rainfall accumulations, we could see anywhere from 1.5 inches to just a little over 2 inches of rainfall. Again, most of that will probably come late in the day on Tuesday during the overnight hours of Wednesday. So if you got any outdoor plans, I would try to take care of those during the morning hours and early afternoon today and tomorrow. And then after that, you're going to have to wait till the afternoon hours on Wednesday when the front has moved through and things start to settle down around the county. So you've noticed the sunsets have been getting earlier and earlier and earlier. We had a great sunset last night. I got some spectacular photos that were sent to me. And here's an update on what you can expect as we go through the next 4 weeks around the county with the sunset. This Friday, sunset's going to be at 7:04 p.m. on Friday, October 9th. You can see 10 minutes earlier from the previous Friday. It'll be 6:54 p.m. on October the 9th. On October 16th, 6:45 p.m. And by October 23rd, we'll be at 6:36 p.m. Remember, the sunset will continue to get earlier and earlier in the day as we get closer to 5 o'clock by around the middle of December, losing about 2 minutes a day to sunlight around the county as we make our way through the month of October. The 5-day forecast, sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684, or visit them at www.sasloop.com. Mention that you saw the forecast on Rowan County Weather and that they sponsor it. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. So today we'll see a high of 77 with increasing cloudiness as we make our way through the day. Some isolated showers and thunderstorms are possible as we get later in the afternoon and evening. We'll see a low of 67 tonight with a 30% chance of isolated showers and thunderstorms. On Tuesday, again, I think most of the rain will come through in the afternoon, but we could see a chance of thunderstorms and showers throughout the day. We've got an 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms as that cold front starts to make its way through the area and the county on Tuesday. We'll see a high of 76 with a low of 56. On Wednesday, you can see it's a little bit cooler because of the cold front where it has moved through. We'll see some isolated rain chances early in the morning, 50% chance with a high of 66, low of 51. As we get later in the day on Wednesday, we start to dry out as the rain chances will decrease. On Thursday, we'll be dry, sunny and 72 with a low of 52 and increasing cloudiness as we get to Thursday evening. And then by Friday, you can see those cooler temperatures starting to set in. We'll see partly sunny skies with a high of 66, partly cloudy skies Friday evening with a low of 46. So definitely going to be fall-like again this weekend. We just got to get through this next couple of days of rainfall to get to where we need to be on the other end. The census, again, your last day to complete that's coming up this week, September 30th. Please take 10 minutes to complete this. It has an impact on the amount of jobs we could see for law enforcement, for first responders around the county. It has an impact on the construction projects that could happen over the next 10 years around the county, the community projects. It also has an impact on the schools. You know, if you really want your school to stay open in your county or in your area, if you happen to be in an area where there's been talk of potential school closings or merging of schools, you know, this could have an impact on it. You got to complete that census so everything can be accounted for and funding can be appropriately provided. You can do that one of two ways. Visit www.my2020census.gov or call 844-330-2020. Again, it takes about 10 minutes and it can make 10 years of difference in your community. If you're looking for ways to get updates as we move, as we make our way through the day, you can check us out on our website at www.rowancountyweather.com. If you utilize social media, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you know someone who doesn't utilize the internet, maybe because they're older or they just care less about whether they have the internet, they can check us out if they have cable on WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's available on Hotwire and on Spectrum as well. We'll keep you updated on those rain chances as we make our way through the day at all of these locations mentioned. And if you have any questions, certainly feel free to reach out to me. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather and enjoy your Monday, everybody.